Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Zynga Poker. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, go ahead and download Zynga Poker if you don't have Zynga Poker on your device. You can check out my previous video on how to download Zynga Poker. Now open up Zynga Poker on your device and you'll be greeted with this screen. Here you have an option for login with existing account or create a new account. If you already have an account, you can just tap on login with existing account and log into your Zynga Poker account. But if you are a new user like me, then go ahead and tap on create account. Now tap on create Zynga Poker account. Now in this screen, put in your email and passport. After you have filled in the details, just tap on the green button that says create an account. As you can see, the game is creating my account right now. And that's how you can successfully create an Zynga Poker account. If you have any questions, just leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.